Introducing the NiSi AIR Protector. Most people dodge the sparks. We aim the camera right at them. Gravel? Splash zone? Part of the shot list. Your dog runs in, sand everywhere, perfect shot, filthy lens. Waterproof test number, who's counting? Flower in the face? We call that a soft focus filter. Behind every reckless idea, 99.8% light transmittance, ultra-water-white optical glass, and a double-sided nano coating that shrugs off water, oil, and fingerprints. Because chaos is temporary, clarity is forever. Champagne shower? Yeah, that's in the script too. Go ahead, get dirty, go wild, shoot everything. We've got your glass covered. NiSi AIR Protector. Pure light, perfect protection.